What's good, guys? This is my 400 TRX 2012 Honda four-wheeler. We got the wire harness, the switch light, all the stuff that we have to plug in. It's basically a plug and play. Here we got the bolts and good stuff, whatnot, in the mount. Put this here. Golly, what is... There should be more than... Kind of see. We could probably open it from right. There we go. Light. LED light. Now, it's a beautiful bar light. Nothing too big, nothing too fancy. Got the brackets in, and now we gotta see where exactly we're gonna mount it. What if we did that?
I mean, you can do it, but you gotta drill a hole. You got something that cut metal.
I'm thinking about this, like that, or like this. What y'all think? What y'all think?
This is the snap-on box right here.
Shit, I live.
Snap-on.
All right, good.
That tool right there only drills plastic. I told him that doesn't cut metal.
Said who? Said who?
She proved me wrong.
Said who, boy? Let's see if that works. Removing the back bolts right now. The only thing that's holding that is pretty much these. On the back of it. Pop right on. Might as well fucking bust the shit out of this shit. Oh, what is that? You wanna find out? Yeah.
Well, let's find out.
There you go, look at the beautiful tucked in wire. It's all some LEDs.
Probably automotive needs. Cars, trucks, bikes, anything like that.
The tucked in wire. It looks pretty nice. Change setup overall. Look at that. Guys, like that little drive-bys that I was doing. Guys, if you have any more questions, comment down below. Said thank you for tuning in to PTX Garage. Hope y'all like it.